Alright, so with today's build, just been working on Mustang. I need to take out the damn transmission. Take the transmission out, bring it to the shop, and see how much it would cost for them to rebuild it. The reason why I'm taking it out is because it'll save me money. It's not that hard to take out a transmission, so that's going to save me like another, what, $100, $200? Yep. And so far, just taking out the starter, should be right there. See where that orange, the flywheel's peeking out. An old, rusty starter. I took out the hood too, because shit got in the way. And yeah, jacked it up right now, but I do not feel safe being under this damn thing. So, we got it jacked up. Took out the starter and left it here. Loosened up these top bolts here and here, and bolts here and the opposite side. And right now we're working on the bottom, trying to take out the bottom piece of it. And then we're going to take out the transmission cross member. And hopefully it'll just drop. I'm thinking a total of 8 bolts. 8 things to screw. But we should be. Alright, it's been a long fucking day. Finally was able to take out the transmission. As you can see, it's missing. Sits here right now. Took out the torque converter. Of course, you started off by taking out the bolts that connects the transmission to the engine. And then after that, there was a plate down here that you take off like 4 bolts there, and you would take out this plate. From there, you gotta basically crank the engine and take out the bolts that's connected to the torque converter and the engine. Then had to take out this piece that was basically connected to the engine or the fucking firewall. Wires, that was simple. This was basically the gear shifter shit. We zip tied it on the transmission. We had in and out outlets that connected to the radiator. One right here, other one down here somewhere, and we had another hose connecting to this little wastegate thing. Yeah. Oh wait, no. The other outlet to the radiator was right here. So here and here. And then the drive shaft just slid off. Right now it's just connected to the exhaust. I zip tied it. And took out the cross member. And that was simple enough. 4 bolts there. Look at this ugly thing. Torque converter. It looks okay, but I'm not sure. Alright, so we dropped the Mustang. Transmission's out. All we gotta do is put the hood on. Decided to leave the tranny over there. Just let it sit for now until we get better estimates for transmission. Save us a few hundred. Let the starter sit there. We've got bolts and shit bagged and tagged. Yep. Miscellaneous shit. Boards where we cleaned out the cross member and extra shit. Last thing in the day, just put on the hood.